the dairy farm look, it just opened. I think within 1 2 weeks. No spiders there.
Because nobody goes there.
Yeah, they were closed for reno for I think a good 1 2 years. So nobody walks to disturb.
Wow. Dragonfly. I do inside. I cannot.
This is duck pig forest lemon. The one forest species that I know.
Whoa. Okay. It looks like this fungi is so strange. It looks like a white stuff.
I need to ask Amy.
Yeah,
I cannot
never seen this
fungi.
kind of stuff. Wow.
Spreading out.
Yeah, it's such a weird growth. Yeah, it's oil palm. Oh yeah, so now close up, but this is unripe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are the fruits of the oil palm, and each individual kernel is a fruit. Some of them are already germinating. Like this one here is already germinated. Interesting.
Any more skills you want to use?